Hello everyone. In today's session we are going to see how we can enter physical stock entry in our MaxxERP software for batchwise products. For that, first we need to take a backup before entering any physical stock entries. Now we'll go to inventory, physical stock taking, and here we can see that number of entries are found here. So first we have to clear those entries and then only we can make any new physical entries, because if we enter any entries with those, then it has a chance of repetition. So we can just clear all here, give yes and then click on yes. Now we have two physical stock mode, one is verification mode and one is report mode. So first would be verification mode. So next we have to, here we can select the stock date, on which date you want to pass this physical stock, and next is the product. Here we can even scan the products, or we can even search the products individually. Here in the options we can even update the stocks category wise or group wise as well by filtering out from here. And next, if you want to take a print also, we can give a print. Next, in the load products, if you click on load all products, first it asks for include null stock. So the stocks which are in 0 should be also included. Then you have to give yes. And next is, do you want your physical stock as 0 quantity, that is null quantity. So that means you want all your stocks to become 0. If yes, then give yes, otherwise give no. So here we can see that all the products has been loaded according to their batches and the products. And here in the verified mode we can just update the stock. Let's say I want basket 2. So if you are maintaining it as a auto tracking unit and you have one batch for each product, and if you are mentioning 2 quantities for one batch number, next if we, let's say instead of 80 I want, and then after updating from here you can just go to report, and here we have report types. First is all products. So if you click here and it will load all the products. Second is mismatch entries, the entries which is not same as their current stock, where you have mentioned verified as different and the current stock is different. Then mismatch entries excluding null stock, except the null stock all the mismatch entries will be shown. If there is any expired stock list also will be shown here. Next is the verified products only. So the products which we have changed, the verified quantities only will be shown here, and only negative stocks should show, that only will be shown. So if we click on verified and click on show, so only verified quantities will be shown here, and then click on select all and click on pass entry and then give yes and then click on proceed. Now we go to our inventory stock summary, click on show. So here we can see the stock journal has been passed. Now next, if you want your stock to be 0 quantity, we'll just go to load products, load all products. Do you want to include null stock? Yes. Do you want the physical stock as null quantity? You have to give yes. Then click on OK. So all the stocks become 0 quantities, and then we can just go to report mode, select the report type as, click on show and then select all, pass entry, then click on OK. We can even export this into Excel by clicking here, and then you have to mention the file name and then we can just save. Now if we go to stock summary, click on show, no details for now. If I go to options, click on include null stock and then apply, so all the quantities has become 0. Now next, if you want to upload your physical stock from Excel, we can just go to use template, click on download template. Now first is, you want to download the blank template or you want it with your current stock. So if you click on blank template and we'll just give yes, enter the file name, save, click on yes, So it will open the Excel. Now here we have to enter the product code and the stock and the rate. So either we can just enter the product code, that is the batch code. So if I enter the product code as, and if you want to mention the rate also, we can mention it, and then we can just save. Now if we go back to physical stock, import from template, give yes after taking the backup, click on Excel, yes. Okay. So we can see the products have been added here. We can just click on report, click on show, and then you can just click on select all, pass entry. We can just click save. Now if you go back to inventory, stock summary, click on show, so we can see it has been updated. Now again, if we go back to physical stock, now if you click on use template, download template, include from current stock. If you want to include the nil stock, you can just give yes and enter the file name. Give yes. All the products has been shown here. So we can just enter the stock here. And then we can just save. Now if we go to use template, import from template, give yes. Click on the Excel and then open. So it is showing that I have some products which has zero quantity. So you want to ignore it, or you want to save all these products as one also. So I want to ignore those, so I'll just give no, and then you can see the products has been encoded. Now if we go to report, show, select all, pass entry, and then you can just click on proceed. And then stock summary, if you click on show, so all the products has been updated here. Now you can even enter the products in verification mode one by one, like every day one, and together you can upload it. Now if you click on, let's take one product, select the batch, how many quantities. So we can see I have mentioned here as verified quantity as 100. Now if I just close and next day again, if you go to inventory, physical stock taken, and you have to click on load products, load all physical entries. So we can just see here, and we can add even more products, and then together we can just go to report and then pass the entries. So that's it for today's session, guys. Thank you.